Hello everyone, welcome back to my new kitchen. The Tater Cowgirls have a new rodeo. It's me again. Addie is still in the PE lesson. She might come by and say hi to you when she's done. It's the last week. No, it's actually, they have one more week school, but on Tuesday is her drive-through graduation from middle school. So it's pretty much the last step today, you know, to get it all in and all done. So I don't want to disturb her, but she might come by. So what are we cooking today? Well, it's pretty warm outside and I want to have a light lunch, kind of, and I'm really fascinated with the recipes in this book, the Blue Zones Kitchen. Not all of them are whole plant-based vegan, but I can tweak them. So I found one from Sardinia. Again, I think I had another one from Sardinia. And it's called Quick Greens and Onions, which I will make today. I will show you how I put the lunch together with that as one item. And yeah, let's go from there. I have greens. They say you can have, let me put that on my stand here. Oh, another message from my husband. He saw in the last video that I had all the painting stuff. Let me show you here in the video, and he said, oh, this looks embarrassing. Well, we are not done yet remodeling, so we are almost done. I think we get done this weekend, but we still work on the hallway. Eddie's room is done, bathroom, floor is in, but we also need some painting there and in the hallway. So bear with us if it doesn't look that perfect. But all in all, our kitchen is great. Anyway, so now we start. I have stuff I need to use. Stuff I had in the RV. Oh, speaking from RV, we go to Crater Lake in summer on vacation with our RV, the Garlic Princess. I think I told you about her. And I will cook in there for you. So stay tuned. You get some motorhome cooking pretty soon. Anyway, I use, for the greens, I have a baby spring mix, which I use, and I have frozen kale that needs to go. It's on the expiration date. So I'm gonna use that, and one sweet onion Vidalia, which I cut now into slices. And I will get you down that you see what I'm doing. I hope that works. Yeah. Da-da-da-da-da. Yep. Okay. Whole rings. They want us to slice whole or half rings. I think it's up to you. Who cares? So how are you all doing? I hope you all deal with the stress and everything that's going on. I don't want to mention anything in particular. I just let you know you're not alone. I had a lot of stress and I dealt with it, and I'm at peace again. I had friends helping me at the time when I thought I had no help, and I'm very grateful, and my higher power took care of business. Anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you. So my recommendation is, and I don't care what you believe in or not believe in, make it to yourself as comfortable as possible in these horrible times. Look, see the good stuff in the world that's still there, the pretty stuff. Get a cup of coffee, sit down on a chair in the garden, whatever fits your well-being, do it. And take a step back from all the hate and craziness and mind games and media and whatever is around that makes you not being able to sleep. being worried about your job and being worried about your family, being worried about your health. Been there, done that. So take my recommendation, step away a step and just relax and take care of yourself. Okay? Thank you. So here are the onion rings. And now, let's see if that works. I'm heating the skillet on the oven. Okay. And in the book they say they add a small amount of olive oil. Very small amount, but I don't. I take my broth and put a small amount in for water sauteing. Pretty much. And start with the onions, of course. Let me do a light thing here. Okay. Maybe. Woo. Low, a little bit of a vent going on. Because the first time I cooked, I turned, the alarm went off, the carbon monoxide, because I didn't put the vent on. So I got a little bit more careful about that. So that's that. So let me know what view you like most. I'm here on the peninsula where we eat and show you the cooking back. Last time I was on the oven and showed you the cooking. So let me know what you prefer and I will do what you want. I think I carry you to the oven right now. Then you can see more. Let's see. Better? Better. Okay. And one of my wooden spoons. Here, another one, see? Ooh, they're quiet going down. Anyway, so we fry these water saute, not fry our onions. And you know, don't put them all together in, so I want them loose. It's a Sardinia recipe. They have these blue zones where people live the longest, 100 years and longer. And they took these recipes. Also, I have to say, I like to investigate these recipes, but living long alone is not everything. You have to put quality in your life, you know. Somebody who has a lot of quality in their life, in a shorter life, might live better than somebody gets 100 years old and has nothing going on. Just saying, it's all perspective. Okay, so that's I get to show you my spice cabinet again. Pepper, salt, it's actually all that's in there. I think I take a little. Do you take garlic powder? What do you think? Why not taking some garlic? I have to use some frozen stuff out. I had so much in the RV for the last trip to Shoshone in Death Valley. I need to use it up, you know, because some stuff gets close to the expiration date. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We go to first we go to Mount Shasta, then Crater Lake. My daughter comes with me. the dogs will be with us. Woo! And my granddaughter and my husband, of course. So we will see how that works. See how brown the onions get right now. Like that. I don't like the ones that stick together. So I'm gonna cut them off. Alright, that's better. Here is one. Just cut them off. Don't do that. It destroys your skillet. I get chewed out by my husband probably when he sees this video. Hi Clay! I know I shouldn't do that. A little bit more water. Yeah, we don't use fat as much as possible. So we try to avoid fat as much as possible. I lost 118 pounds starting 2017. I gained a bit back in 2020 during COVID. Now I'm really back on track, and I lost again 6 pounds. And I'm at the weight I want to be, so that's okay. No, around 165, 170, so that's fine with me. I don't have to be a 140. But I don't want to be a 256 anymore either. Okay. Ooh, it's smelling. It's already smelling good. Okay, here we go. Let's put the kale in. That one really has to go. It was in my fridge forever. Don't know why. Yeah, I know why. It's because I'm not a big green. I really have to eat more greens. Kale is not one of my favorites, but it has to go. And I think I just add a few baby spring mix. Make it a little bit more colorful. They put 3 pounds in the recipe, but I really don't need that much because it's only Eddie and me eating. Some salt to taste, some pepper, now it can wilt down a little bit. There's so much we have to do actually. Frozen kale apart makes it a little easier. I can add a little bit more. There was a cup I had in there, so I didn't use more than half a cup, all in all. The greens don't have to, be completely cooked through. I like them with a little crunch, and I want the vitamins in there. Put that from high to middle. Then I show you what I eat with it. So this is a fast meal today, a fast cooking. Just mix the onions among them. Okay, I'll show you what I cook with it. So, in the oven, I baked two of my favorite spicy black bean burgers. And I have that, I had that in the RV and I had to go. These are little cups of rice. They have different varieties. This is brown and wild rice. You open the lid, it's like a little cup. You open the lid and put it a minute in the microwave. So it's ideal for camping and stuff. And this I will eat together with the greens, which are already coming through. Let me try one. Yeah, doesn't take much longer. I don't like them too soft. But it's up to you how soft you want it, you know. You can leave it a little longer if you want to. Okay, let's show you what I have in here. In the warming, I warm up my stuff. Here. And I can turn those off. For me, they are enough. And I just put them here. Don't be stingy. Greens are good for you. Don't be like me. Okay. And I have this. It's fat-free, calorie-free Chipotle ranch dressing from Walden Farms. Got that at Nob Hill here in California, and I put a few things here. And here is my lunch for today. Doesn't it look good? And this was it. I'm trying, of course. I show you that I'm trying. You can turn that one off. And I need a fork. And try my meal. Good. And who do I hear coming?
Hi.
Tater Cowgirl Jr. Just right for lunch. Okay? Have a good day. Stay relaxed. Don't stress yourself out in these hard times. Okay? And I see you next week to another cooking rodeo. Bye.